I don't know if you can see, but today is a super stormy weather. I would have preferred not to go outside, but I have to, so it's going to be an adventure. They are promising it to be a huge storm today. Not advised to go out, but we're going out, taking the car and having a trip. Let's see how it goes. Oh my god. Super windy. It's a really stormy weather. Everything is in deep snow. Woo! What a stormy weather, huh? Let's start the car. Great. It's with the button, we have the key. So let's go. Stormy weather. Here we come. So we have this kind of weather too here in Estonia. That's kind of exciting and dangerous. So Korralik Alaska, like in Alaska. The visibility is like next to nothing, 50 meters maybe less. Wind, I don't know. It's good that I have this Jeep now, so it's kind of täitsa huvitav oli. Seal on kõik uued tehnoloogiad ja NFT-d, värgid. Selles mõttes võiks kõik kiirustada, mitte jääda siin mäedeks seisma. Ma kuulsin, et teised autod ka ei saa üles. Sest mul on niuke tunne, et see Jeep on esivedu, et ta ei ole nelivedu. Ma natuke nüüd ülesmäest tundsin. Meil oli enne niuke nelivedu kuulaks. Oh sa!
Appikene mulle kittas.
Siit saab niuksed kaadrid. Mamma mia. obviously to get dark very soon. Now it's 2 o'clock. I think in half an hour will be pitch dark. Hope there isn't too many accidents in the city, but let's see. It's a big storm. So good advice for the winter driving is use bigger roads, like prefer the main roads. Don't just try to cut corners or go through small roads, because obviously they are not well cleaned, the smaller roads. So use main roads. I'm now also using the biggest roads I can. Ah, you see? It's crazy. That is the one time I prefer cars over walking or bicycle. So the main rule, take your time. Don't rush it in this weather. It's crazy. Woo! Here is an example of a smaller road. See? Crazy. Какой код? А, в договоре посмотрите, у вас договор есть. Хорошо, всего хорошего. Да, до свидания. And I'll show you how you can make so you can see better with this windshield wipers. Let's go. Woo! Clean it up. And here. Maybe not that much better. Almost the same. But okay, that's the weather in Estonia. Very special day, like a storm, snowstorm, low visibility. Maybe do some video later too.